the button.
Good morning, you guys. Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another episode of Hot Wheels Dad. Thank you for tuning in to another episode of my channel. I really appreciate it. If you're stopping by for the first time today, please consider giving my channel a like and a subscribe. It really does help me grow. I urge you to please consider browsing the rest of my channel. I really have some content out there that I think you will really like. In today's episode, I want to talk specifically about YouTube. The journey that has brought me here to today, what I've gone through, what I did to grow, the strategies I used to get my channel to where it's at today. What I was thinking of doing is starting a series specifically about YouTube, my growth, dive into some analytics, let you guys know what I've done, my strategies, the things that I've used to get here to today, and you guys can let me know what you think about that. Is this the type of content that you guys want to see? I've come across some really cool people, and these are some of the things that we talk about. We talk about what we're doing, we're talking about how we have smaller channels, and basically we're bouncing ideas off each other, we're brainstorming, we're coming up with ideas on what to do. First, I wanted to talk about the ups and downs of having a YouTube channel. Now, there were mornings when I would wake up and I honestly wanted to quit. I would look at my channel and see, man, the growth is not there, the views aren't there, and YouTube is just not really promoting my channel. And I would get really frustrated, and I would think about the time and the effort that I'm putting into making these videos. It's almost a full-time job. You know, I go to work every day and then I come home and then I have to look at my analytics, I have to do some editing, I have to keep my activity up, and it's just honestly a lot of work. And from the time from 0 subscribers to just, 100 subscribers, it really does take a toll on you, seeing people not viewing your channel, and so it really makes you want to think, hey, what do I need to do to get my channel to grow? I was watching other channels grow much faster than mine. I would subscribe to some smaller channels and seeing them grow and be like, hey, what am I doing? What am I doing that is not matching up to what they're doing? It really becomes about strategy and wanting to grow and looking at your analytics and seeing what is their channel doing that my channel is not doing. So if you guys want to post videos to YouTube, by all means, post your videos to YouTube, do it, record, and get your stuff up. But I want to let you know, it becomes a addiction. You guys, posting videos to YouTube is one thing, but getting to the next level and wanting to be a creator, getting into your analytics and really figuring out what it takes to get a channel to grow, it's a whole nother ball game, you guys. And so it's a lot of fun, it's a lot of work, getting your channel to where you want it to be. It's a process that I just really want you guys to enjoy. Take a moment after you get your videos on, watch them, go back and watch your videos from time to time, and then see where your channel's at after a few months, after a year, whatever. You guys, I can tell you my videos that I'm posting today compared to my videos that I posted way back when, man, I'm embarrassed to have that content up, but it's gonna stay there, it's gonna remain. You guys can go watch it too. You guys can go see how far I've come. I know where I wanted my YouTube channel to be by the end of 2020, and here I am. We're in August and I've already reached that goal. So almost on a daily basis, you guys, I'm getting messages from you letting me know you love my channel, you love my truck, you like the content that I'm putting out. You guys are really supporting the channel. And then the next message I get from you guys is, hey, I'm thinking about starting a channel of my own. And my answer to them 100% of the time is do it. Absolutely do it. Start your channel. And then there will be some conversation back and forth, and one of the next things that people almost always say is, does YouTube pay you money? Or I'm not comfortable being on camera. And always, you guys, all the time I say to you guys, that doesn't matter. When I started my channel, none of that mattered. I was doing it for fun, and I still continue to do it for fun. I love doing this. I love waking up in the morning, getting my GoPro out, filming for you guys, the editing process. I'm posting videos to YouTube that I love doing. And when you guys say you want to start YouTube channels, do it. Who cares? Get your content up, get your camera out, start recording, start uploading to YouTube, and just do it. Now let's talk about not being comfortable on camera. You guys, I am the same exact way. You can go look at some of my older videos, and I want to I want to apologize for some of those older videos. When my channel was officially monetized, and I was officially monetized this past Monday, and as I was watching these videos, you guys, man, as far as being comfortable on camera, I was not comfortable on camera. And Again, I want to apologize. If you guys have reached my channel by seeing some of these older videos, it's night and day where I'm at today as I was back then. And again, I am so sorry, especially the video, and you guys can go watch this, the video where I removed the badges from my F-150. It was one of my earlier videos when I first started really uploading on a consistent basis. And I went to go watch that the other night and add the monetization to it. And you guys, I could barely even get through it. But you know what? That video is gonna stay on YouTube. I don't care. I can go back and watch it, and I can go back and see how far I've come to today, you guys. And so being comfortable on camera, it gets better, and it really shouldn't be something that deters you from starting a channel. In the editing process, you guys, I record content all the time, and I have to stop, and I have to recompose myself, and then I have to think what I'm gonna say. And then I will come to the camera and I will say it. And that's basically all taken care of in the editing process. When you watch one of my videos, if you guys were to be here when I'm actually recording the videos, you'd be like, man, this guy really does not know how to talk to a camera. So when you guys say you want to start your channel, you guys absolutely do it. Get your camera out and start recording. So I reached 1,000 subscribers on Friday. Basically, when you reach 1,000 subscribers, nothing happens. I can do a full another video on this if you guys want to see. You guys comment, let me know if you want to see that. But when you reach 1,000 subscribers, you get an email that basically says it invites you to apply to the YouTube partnership program. So you have to go through the application process. Your channel needs to get reviewed, and then YouTube has to approve you. So I've had my channel for a really, really long time. I've had my channel since 2009. Back then, you didn't have to have any approvals. You could monetize your videos kind of right away. And so I was already part of the YouTube partnership program before the change to needing 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. So I'd already gone through the application process. Basically, once I hit 1,000 subscribers, it was next they needed to approve my channel. So Friday, August 14th, I hit my 1,000 subscribers, and then Monday morning, August 17th, I got the email that I am officially approved into the YouTube partnership program and I can start monetizing my videos. Let's talk about analytics and what my channel is getting as far as views, what I'm getting as far as subscribers, and watch time. So basically, like I had mentioned in previous videos, in order to get to a point where you can monetize your channel, you have to have 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours of watch time. And so I want to go into my computer here. I want to show you my analytics page, and basically I want to be as transparent as possible to you guys, especially if you're trying to grow your channel. And if I can be an inspiration to you, any of you guys, especially guys that are really trying to grow your channel, and you guys, some of the really cool people that I met along the way, we were all really smaller channels. And I can tell you, even some of these smaller channels were really an inspiration to me. After communicating, after talking, bouncing ideas and brainstorming, these smaller channels, watching their videos, it gives you ideas and it gives you things to put in your videos that you might not have even necessarily even thought of. When you guys are creating content, putting it on YouTube and seeing what the views are getting, I can understand how frustrating it can be when your video is only getting like 15 to 20 views. I want to show you my analytics, where it's at today. I want to go into the computer and show you what views I'm getting on basically a monthly basis. YouTube's analytic page goes based off of the last 28 days, but you can break down the analytics however you want, the last year, the last few months. So let's go into the actual analytics of a page. I want to show you the basics. I want to show you the basic first page, and I want to be as transparent as possible with you guys. So let's talk a little bit about this home page. So this is your dashboard. This basically tells you a little bit about your analytics here, where your latest video performance is at, but the screen specifically I want to look at is the analytics page. And when this page opens up, it's a one snapshot view of your views, your watch time, your subscribers, and your estimated revenue for the last 28 days. You can see right here, 28 days in the upper right. So transparent, you guys can see how much money I've made. Now, like I mentioned earlier in the video, my channel was officially monetized on Monday. It is now Friday morning, and this is where I'm at. So the last 28 days, I'm basically getting 25,000 views a month. And my watch time is just over 1,000 hours of watch time. And the last month I've gained 147 subscribers. And then my estimated revenue is $14.27. Now you guys, the first question you ask is, do you make money? And there are different ways to make money on YouTube. I did a vlog in the past that talks about a lot of the ways you can make money on YouTube, and I was making money before getting ad revenue, but adding the ad revenue to basically what I'm getting on a monthly basis, specifically on YouTube, this is where it's at. So since it's one of your guys' first questions, let's just click on that tab. Here we go. So basically you you can see pre-August I was not monetized, and then come to August 10th, 11th, 12th, 13th, 14th, 15th, 16th, and 17 Monday morning I was officially monetized. So Monday, basically from 8 a.m. to the end of the day, I made $4. Tuesday I made $5.42. Wednesday I made $4.76, and then I don't have any analytics after that. Pretty much making just close to about $5 a day just in ad revenue. And how cool is that, you guys? Basically posting videos to YouTube and making $5 a day. It's not income that you would have had any other way. For smaller channels that are trying to grow, you can set your goals to however you want. Basically off of my channel, you can be like, hey, I want to get 25,000 views in a month. I want to get 1,000 watch hours in a month. I want to gain 100 subscribers in a month. That will basically get me this amount of money in a few days. Now, like I mentioned earlier, I want this to be kind of a series, and you guys can let me know if it's something that you want to see, but a series that can be ongoing, and maybe I can do like a month-to-month basis, what my channel made in a month, how many views I'm making in a month. That way we can go back to the previous videos and we can see, is my channel growing? Am I hitting a growth plateau? Where it's at? Then you guys can compare your channels to my channel. So I appreciate all of you guys' messages. I appreciate you guys coming to my channel and asking all the questions that you have as far as YouTube goes. I'm so grateful that I can be an inspiration to you guys and that we can be in this together. We can watch our channels grow. We can watch our channels flourish. So let's get out. Let's create this content. If we can collab, let's collab, you guys. Hit me up on my Instagram. If you guys are local, let's get out. Let's go for a drive and make some content that we both can post up and get it up on our channels and see where our channels can go from here. You guys, thank you for tuning in to another episode of Hot Wheels Dad. If you haven't already, please subscribe to the channel. Let me know your guys' thoughts in the comments, what you guys want to see. This is our channel, you guys. I really want this to be a growth process together. Thank you again. I appreciate you guys tuning in to my channel as always. Always remember, you are the maker of your own story, so don't forget to make it legendary. Catch you guys in the next one. Peace!